What is going on, YouTube? This is Motostar signing in, and today we're going to ride and talk about the DJI Mavic Air 2 drone giveaway we are hosting with the Lone Warriors in our Operation TheraPic Photo a Day contest. So let's roll that intro and get on with today's video.
Hard work, that's what they say. Hard work, let me hear. Hard work, turn it up.
All right, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in to another video. If you are new to the channel, I bring you along with me as I merge my passions for photography and motorcycles. So if you like anything photography or motorcycle related and you have not yet clicked that subscribe button, go ahead and click it below. And while you're at it, don't forget to ring that bell icon to receive email alerts when I upload some new content. Yes, we are coming close to the end of the contest for the DJI Mavic Air 2 drone. You know, it's been about 2 months now, and the photos that we have been receiving from our veterans taking part in the program is just unbelievable. I know week after week, that's really all I normally say is how, you know, shocked I am of how good of quality these images are that we are receiving. And it's not just, you know, each photo is just blowing our minds. We're getting a wide variety of shots, a lot of photos that are being submitted, and each and every one of them is just remarkable, especially since majority of our veterans just do it as like a form of therapy. The contest has been going on for about 2 months. We have over, you know, 200-300 submissions per person, and so it's going to come down to the very end. We decided that starting October 1st is going to finish the contest, and then that way we'll go ahead and announce the winner on October 15th on who or which veteran is going to be lucky enough to receive the DJI Mavic Air 2 drone. But before I talk too long, let's go ahead and check out some photos. Be sure you guys let me know in the comments which one you like the most, because if you guys haven't watched any of these other, you know, contest video updates, I do take the one that gets the most amount of likes or submissions in the comments, and we award them 5 bonus points. So you guys can tell, you know, at the end of the contest, this is something that could make or break, you know, the victory for somebody. So be sure to let me know in the comments which photo you like the best. All right, welcome back from checking out some of those photos. Hopefully you guys found one that kind of, you know, spoke to you and you dropped it in the comments, because I like to see as many of those comments come in. That way our veterans see that you guys are watching and you appreciate their photos. And then hopefully, you know, like I said, one of the veterans could get 5 bonus points this late in the game and maybe even make it so they're the ones that receive this DJI Mavic Air 2 drone. But this contest has been a lot of fun. We have learned a lot as far as lessons going forward to put into effect. Rules to put into effect. We've had some veterans receive some bonus points as well for referring other veterans to the program, which is really what we wanted to do most within this first program, is get more and more individuals involved and participate in the program. That mission was a success with this one, because we went from, at the very beginning, about 15 individuals taking part in the program to now we're over 50, 55 in our closed Facebook group. And with it being a closed Facebook group, guys, we still share everything that's going on within our organization through all of our public pages. So it's not just, you know, this organization is closing the doors and keeping it all in-house. We share everything. We just have the closed group so the veterans could share their photos easier within that program, and then that way it's easier for us to tally it up instead of having to search for hashtags and stuff like that on Instagram. It's just what we thought would work, and it has. Now, towards the end of this contest, you know, I was going to be hesitant to share some news with you guys, and I will wait until a later date. But the reason why we decided to cut this one on October 1st, we're gonna pretty much give us 15 days to put everything together and announce the winner, which I will do here on YouTube as well. And then the end of October, we are planning to do something else, a real quick turn and burn contest to really close out 2020 for the Lone Warriors in our Operation TheraPic Photo a Day challenge with a bang. You know, 2020 has been one of those years that has been a lot of ups and downs, and we are really trying to, you know, grab a hold of 2020 and make it an impactful year for our veterans within the program. And I couldn't be happier to say, like, with this DJI Mavic Air 2 drone contest, really this was a big contest to do, and if we're able to do one of these a year, I would be extremely excited, you know, for the program moving forward. But I think, guys, little spoiler alert, I think we're going to be sneaking in one more big contest, probably like a 30-day one come November time frame, and maybe announce the winner like the day before Christmas or something like that. I don't know, still game planning in my mind, but someone out there has already reached out to me saying that they want to help us out with the one last turn and burn contest for 2020. I just have to do my part and reply to email and get things situated. So I'm excited. Hopefully you're excited. And I'm also excited, as you guys can probably see in the second cameras, I'm rocking the Steelers jersey today. Mainly because it matches the new Simpson helmet. But NFL season has started, so it's just, you know, although it's different watching these games with no people in the stands, it is kind of nice to turn on the TV and watch some sports. You know, I'm more of a baseball guy, but I've been following my Oakland Athletics, which, if you guys have been following, watch out. I think 2020 is the year for Oakland. But yeah, so let me know what your team of choice is in the comments as well today. I'm just asking you guys to do a lot. I mean, heck, let me know your favorite picture. Let me know if you think another turn and burn contest for the end of 2020 is a good idea. And then third, let me know what your favorite sports team is below. We'll go football. What's your favorite football team below? Earlier today, I did go on a benefit ride that was hosted by a local bail bondman, I think, if I'm pronouncing that right. And the ride was to benefit, you know, hashtag Save the Children, which is fighting against child sex trafficking. Hit that ride earlier today and was gonna run a video, but the ride was full of a lot of side-by-sides. So to be able to, you know, operate the camera equipment and make sure I'm not gonna run into somebody or get ran into, I didn't do that. But that ride was good. It's always great to get out there and, you know, donate your money to a good cause, especially something like that. I mean, I wish that was something that never had to come off the tip of our tongues, but unfortunately it exists. Really excited for what's to come with the Operation TheraPic program, and I can't wait, you know, to close the deal and ship off this Mavic Air 2 drone to the winner. But if you guys like today's quick video, you know, normally I do these in the office. Kind of found myself behind a lot this week, and today weather's looking kind of bad, but it's easier for me to do these videos out here on the road because right now all the kids are at the house. So if I try to do something or record something in the office, there's gonna be a lot of noises. Well, take a little ride. Take a little ride. So if you guys like today's video, be sure to click that like icon. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button right here. And if you'd rather stick around and watch a few more of my videos, I will throw up a video here and here. Like always, guys, I really appreciate the support. Thanks for tuning in to another video. And this is Motor Sarge signing out.